Hi, this is Python programming course. In this video, we shall learn about classes in Python. Object-oriented programming is the best approach to write software. In object-oriented programming, classes represent real-world situations. We create objects based on these classes. When you create objects of a class, each object is equipped with behavior of class, and you give trait whatever you want. Creating an object is called instantiation, and you work with class instances. Let us create a class cat. It's not particular cat, it can be any cat. We know that all cats have name and age. Name and age will be common in class. Cat is moving or not moving is the behavior of the class. After making a class, we shall make individual instance, and each shall represent an individual cat. Here is a class. We have defined a class cat. First class keyword, then cat, name of the class, and then parenthesis, bracket, and colon in the end. Function is function are part of class. Init method is an method that automatically runs when a class instance is created. This method have three parameters: self, name, age. Self parameter is required in method definition. It will come before other parameters. When we call method of an object, self is automatically passed to method referring to specific instance of the class. Any method in the class that operates on an instance of class must include self as first parameter. It allows to access instance attributes and other methods. Init method is like constructor, and any method with in class that have to access instance attribute must include self keyword in the method. The show method is printing the name and age of the cat. Move method is telling us that cat is moving, and the sit method is showing that cat is sitting. We have created an instance of class here, and after that we have called methods of the class. Let's create another instance of the class. See, here is another instance of the class is created, and you can create as many instances you want. Hope you grasp the concept of classes in the Python. Thank you.